10-day Vietnam off-road motorcycle adventure. Welcome Carl and friends to Vietnam. On an unforgettable journey through the heart of Vietnam, a 10-day off-road motorcycle tour that takes you from the bustling streets of Hanoi to the remote, untouched beauty of northern Vietnam. Buckle up as we relive this incredible experience. Day 1. The journey begins in Hanoi, where the city's energy fades as you ride into the misty mountains of Ta Xua, a land known for its dinosaur spine ridges. The thrill of navigating rugged trails is just the start. Day 2. From Ta Xua, the adventure intensifies as you make your way to the picturesque Cang Chai. Known for its stunning rice terraces, this is a rider's paradise, a perfect blend of breathtaking views and challenging terrain. Day 3, next stop. Sapa, the crisp mountain air and vibrant hill tribe culture welcome you as you traverse winding roads, passing through scenic valleys and cloud-kissed peaks.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible if you just believe.
Day 5. Bac Ha to Ha Giang, a true motorcycling gem. You'll encounter narrow passes and towering karsts, carving your way through some of Vietnam's most iconic landscapes. Day 6. Ha Giang to Dong Van. Imagine zigzagging through the Ma Pi Leng Pass, often called the Heaven's Gate, where the view will steal your breath away. Day 7, Dong Van to Cao Bang, an off-road rider's dream. Dense forests and winding paths lead to hidden valleys, rewarding your effort with pristine landscapes. Day 8, the crown jewel, Gioc Waterfall. Nestled on the border with China, this cascading wonder is pure magic. Day 9, from Cao Bang to Lang Son, the roads wind through rural villages and limestone peaks, each turn offering a new surprise. Day 10. Finally, the journey back to Hanoi. With stories to share and memories to cherish, the bustling capital feels like a world away from the rugged trails you've conquered. To Carl and his amazing friends, thank you for riding with us on this epic adventure with Indochina Motorbike Tours. Your spirit of exploration and camaraderie made this journey truly unforgettable. Ready to write your own story of adventure? Let's hit the road together.